Hi there, my name is Alex Gurba. I'm a registered physiotherapist at Gemini Health Group in Richmond Hill, Ontario. And today I want to talk about foam rolling and releasing difficult trigger points. For the most part, people are familiar with foam rolling because they see a lot of individuals doing it around the gym, around basketball courts, and everywhere. Foam rolling is an effective way to warm muscles up because it's kind of similar to a massage for the muscles. It brings in a lot of good blood flow. But when it comes to reducing pain and addressing tightness and tension in tough trigger points, lingering on the trigger points is actually more effective. So today I'm going to demonstrate the release of difficult trigger points, specifically in the thigh and the hip, using a foam roller, and hopefully you can kind of use that in your routine as well. So the first one we're going to start with is actually based on a request that we got from one of our viewers, and that's for a Rectus Femoris release, and that's in the middle part of the thigh. It's one of your quadriceps. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do that with a foam roller. I'm going to place the foam roller this way. We're going to position our thigh right on the foam roller, and we're going to fish for the trigger point until you find the most sensitive spot about 2/3 of the way down from your hip down towards the knee. Once you find that trigger point, try to relax, try to load up as much weight as you can onto that trigger point until you find that you're feeling a radiating sensation. The radiating sensation should go down into the knee. Now the rectus femoris is one of the quadriceps that actually crosses the hip as well as the knee joints. So it's important to understand that the radiating sensation could trickle up a little bit, but it should be radiating down towards the knee as well. Another trigger point that we want to address is the glutes. The glutes are tough to do using a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball, so a foam roller could actually be very useful for that as well. We're going to position the foam roller down. We're going to sit on top of the foam roller and then bring the leg up. Now this might be difficult for some people. You can bring yourself a little bit lower if you need to, but for best effect, you want to bring this knee closer up into the chest. Now, once you start rolling, again, fishing around for it a little bit, once you find the trigger point, try to linger. 60 to 90 seconds is how long it takes for trigger points to release, so be patient. Try to feel for the radiating sensation. The glutes typically radiate down the leg, so you want to be able to feel that radiating sensation. That's how you know you're hitting a proper trigger point. Other soft tissue spots might be sensitive, but they're not going to have the same radiating pattern as proper trigger points. Hopefully this has been effective and helpful for you. Try to incorporate it into your routine. If you're still having questions about it, please don't hesitate to email us at info@geminihealthgroup.ca. Thanks and have a good one.